Hello students, welcome to week 5 of our course Curriculum Studies in Science Education. This class we examine the relationships between science curriculum and science teaching and also science learning through looking at some aspects of teaching and learning science in general and in science education in particular. Part of this examination includes socio-cultural aspects of, of learning, and by this you'll be able to maybe connect it to previous socio-cultural discussions in the course. While the readings might give you some ideas about how to teach science, and then it's great. Our main interest is not teaching and learning science themselves, but the relation to science curriculum, and you will need to make those links from teaching and learning to the curriculum. Some of the implications of the readings are to teacher education and beginning teachers, and again, it might be relevant to you. So we have two themes, of course. The first one talks about these curriculum, teaching, learning relationship in science education. And what I'm asking is, do you think this curriculum, teaching, learning relationship has anything unique, something unique when it comes to science curriculum, or that it's just similar to any other subject matter? If you think that there's something unique, what makes science education unique in this regard? If not, why this is so? So you are asked to use details in the readings. In particular, I suggest using Winchell et al. From 2004 practices and tools for teachers of science, and Houston's 2004 resources for science learning in your answer. The second theme, entitled Science Curriculum Design and Teaching, and this theme talks about the shift between the written formal curriculum to what happens in the classroom. So I'm saying what happens in the classroom in terms of teaching and learning does not necessarily follow or reflect the written curriculum, of course. From a curriculum as a policy document to what teachers do and what happens as a result or not to students, things might be quite different than is planned. Do you think science curriculum designers should care about it and address this potential shift, and particularly, do they need to pay any attention to teaching science in this regard, to what teachers are supposed to do? If so, how should curriculum designers address this potential shift, and if not, why? Again, use the practices and resources in the readings to guide or exemplify your answers. That's it. Hope you will enjoy the readings and the discussions this week, and maybe again you will reap some teaching ideas and practices for your own. Bye bye.